Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly sweet and special to discuss, the incredible benefits of honey. We all know honey as a delicious natural sweetener, but did you know it has a wide range of health benefits too? Stick around as we dive into the fascinating world of honey and uncover its hidden wonders. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Honey, nature's sweet nectar. Honey has been treasured by civilizations for thousands of years. Bees collect nectar from flowers, break it down into simple sugars, and store it in honeycombs. This golden liquid is rich in nutrients and contains enzymes, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. The composition of honey can vary depending on the types of flowers the bees collect nectar from, resulting in a variety of flavors and colors. Now let's explore the incredible health benefits that honey offers. 1. Natural energy booster. Honey is a fantastic source of carbohydrates, which are quickly converted into glucose and provide a natural energy boost. It's an excellent alternative to processed sugars or energy drinks, offering sustained energy without the sudden crashes. Soothes coughs and sore throats. Honey has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for coughs and sore throats. Its thick consistency coats the throat, reducing irritation and providing relief. Studies have shown that honey can be just as effective, if not more so, than over-the-counter cough medicines. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. Raw honey possesses antibacterial and antifungal properties, thanks to enzymes and compounds that create hydrogen peroxide when in contact with moisture. This makes it an effective natural remedy for wounds, burns, and infections. It also helps in treating acne and promoting healthy skin. Digestive health. Honey has prebiotic properties, meaning it promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. It aids in digestion and can alleviate issues such as indigestion, constipation, and bloating. Antioxidant powerhouse. Honey is packed with antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, certain cancers, and neurodegenerative disorders. Did you know that honey can work wonders for your skin and hair too? Let's take a closer look. Moisturizing face mask. Honey's natural humectant properties help retain moisture, making it an ideal ingredient for DIY face masks. It hydrates the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and glowing. Acne treatment. Honey's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective treatment for acne-prone skin. Applying honey to affected areas can reduce redness, inflammation, and bacteria, helping to clear up breakouts. Hair conditioner. Honey acts as a natural hair conditioner, promoting shiny, silky, and healthy locks. It helps retain moisture in the hair and soothes the scalp, reducing dandruff and itchiness. Now that we've explored the numerous benefits of honey, let's talk about how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. Sweeten your beverages. Instead of refined sugar, try adding a spoonful of honey to your tea, coffee, or smoothies. It adds a natural sweetness and a depth of flavor. Honey as a spread. Replace jams, jellies, or other sweet spreads with honey on your morning toast. It's a healthier option that will satisfy your sweet tooth. Honey in cooking. Honey can be used as a substitute for sugar in many recipes. It adds a unique flavor profile to marinades, dressings, and sauces. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with honey-infused dishes. And there you have it, honey, nature's sweet gift with a host of benefits. From boosting energy to healing wounds and enhancing your beauty routine, honey truly deserves a place in our lives. Remember, always choose raw, organic honey for maximum benefits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.